Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw TRX from Metamask to Exmo in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a quick refresh, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. With TRX being a popular cryptocurrency, knowing how to move it securely is essential for managing your portfolio and taking advantage of opportunities on exchanges like Exmo. First things first, before we dive in, make sure you have the basics covered. You'll need a Metamask wallet set up on your browser, some TRX tokens in it, and an Exmo account ready to receive the funds. Oh, and remember, TRX runs on the Tron network, so if you haven't already, you'll need to add the Tron network to Metamask. It's straightforward. Just go to your Metamask settings, click on Networks, and add a custom RPC with the Tron details. You can find the exact RPC endpoints online or in Metamask's documentation. Now, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account and navigate to the deposit section for TRX. Copy your unique TRX wallet address from there. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 2. Open your Metamask wallet and switch to the Tron network if you haven't already. Select your TRX tokens from the assets list. Step 3. Hit the Send button. Paste the Exmo wallet address into the recipient field, and enter the amount of TRX you want to withdraw. Don't forget to check the network fees. Tron transactions are usually cheap, but they can vary. Step 4. Review everything carefully: amount, address, and fees, then confirm the transaction. You'll get a prompt to sign it with your wallet. Once that's done, sit tight and monitor the transaction on a blockchain explorer like TronScan. It should only take a few minutes. Finally, Step 5. Head back to Exmo and check your account balance. If all went well, your TRX should be there. There you have it. That's how you withdraw TRX from Metamask to Exmo in 2025. Always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets for larger amounts and never share your private keys. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.